Our shower is fully waterproof. We are ready to start tiling. I do want to point out, as with normal for us, we're going to be cutting our niche out once we get our tile started. So we do have a little bit of banding, so I guess technically we're not fully waterproof. We're just really close. There's this little corner shelf over here, and then our corner bench. So we just got done banding this a little bit ago. Stopped to eat lunch. Now that we're done eating lunch, we will start tiling. So that's the nice thing about this kind of product. We don't have a huge delay like we would if it was a paint on, where we have to wait a couple of hours. This has been less than 30 minutes, or barely over 30 minutes. Once we got back from lunch, we'll be ready to go. So that's nice. We have wrapped up our shower. I'll kind of let the work speak for itself here. We added a niche, changed the grab bar from what was here to our tileware grab bar. We eliminated that glass shelf that used to be in this cubby. And then we made sure that our bench is nice and waterproof. Homeowner is going to get a new shower head, otherwise our shower is just about complete.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the subscribe button. Remember to ring the bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Stick around and check out the next suggested video coming up after this clip. Thanks for watching.